Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi. Many people fail financially not because they lack opportunity, but because they keep choosing the wrong ones. Every year, they chase hype. They follow crowded trends. They react instead of calculating. Today, I introduce a brand new wealth framework, Medium White Star Section 1. WHY opportunity confuses most people. Most people pick paths based on crossmark emotion, crossmark desperation, crossmark social pressure, crossmark short-term hype. But wealthy people use pattern logic, not excitement. They run each opportunity through an algorithm, whether they know it consciously or not. Medium White Star Section 2. THE 5 steps of the opportunity selection algorithm. Step 1. Clarity filter. Can I clearly explain how this makes money? If it's confusing, it's losing. No clarity equals no profit. Step 2. Demand test. Is real money already moving here? Wealth never goes first. It follows proof of demand. Step 3. Skill alignment scan. Does this opportunity compound my strongest abilities? Winning paths grow your core talents. Step 4. Leverage check. Can one action multiply income beyond my time? No leverage equals no wealth velocity. Step 5. Longevity evaluation. Will this still matter in 5 years? Fads die. Systems last. Medium White Star Section 3. The golden rule of opportunity. An opportunity that fails any step is disqualified. Successful people don't chase many roads. They walk one fully qualified path. Medium White Star Section 4. What changes when you run the algorithm? White have a checkmark. Less confusion. White have a checkmark. Faster clarity. White have a checkmark. Better decisions. White have a checkmark. Focused effort. White have a checkmark. Compounding income. White have a checkmark. Reduced burnout. The same energy creates more results. Medium White Star Section 5. Apply it today. Any idea, any business, any investment. Run it through the algorithm. Clarity, demand, alignment, leverage. Longevity. Only move forward when all 5 pass. Bullseye conclusion. Wealth doesn't grow through activity. It grows through precision moves.